Once again, I got the tremendous honor of traveling internationally to compete with my college speech team, but this time, instead of Budapest, I got to go to Rome. Let me just start off by saying that the Rome that I expected was not the Rome that I got. Our hotel was located in something of a ghetto, so there wasn't much of what you could consider Italian authenticity, at least in the colloquial sense. I was a little afraid of going out at night, but thankfully a nicer Roma was only one metro stop away. Despite my initial impression, though, there was a lot I loved about my first visit to Italy. I loved its tiny cars, its juxtaposed architecture, its skinny jeans, its colorful street vendors, its multitude of fountains, its colorful public transit, its buses to Magic Land, its overabundance of satellite dishes, its impressively persistent weeds. But most of all, I just loved being there and realizing something pretty profound one night while we were all up late sobbing about how much we loved each other. I realized that these people, these 6 very different people, both from each other and from me, are my family. They are more than just a random collection of similarly motivated public speakers. They are my uncles, cousins, brothers, and sisters. Though I have a fairly large, actual extended family, I only talk to about a handful of them on a regular basis. But that's okay. I know that I will never be alone in this world because family isn't limited to blood and ancestry. Family is simply a collection of people you trust with your hopes and dreams, a collection of people who have seen you at your best and your worst and love you anyways, and a collection of people you can't imagine not knowing. Rome is just one of my many examples where I learned this lesson, because really, I've known this ever since I chanced into joining this team and was lucky enough to gain not only a network of like-minded thinkers, but a family. Thank you, Pacific University, for giving me the opportunity to travel first to Budapest, then to Rome with my family away from home, and I can't wait to see what the next 2 years have to offer. Hey everyone, so that was my kind of thoughts from places style Rome overview just very quickly, but I am uploading more extensive travel videos, which I promise will be more interesting than the ones I posted last year. So this is kind of the home video, and although the videos aren't unlisted, I thought this would be a good place to kind of organize them. Click in any of the annotations around here to go to the next ones. You can start at the first video or just move throughout the trip however you like. I promise they'll be interesting, I hope you'll enjoy them, and yeah. If they're not up yet, then keep coming back to this video or my channel, because I will be uploading Rome videos as quickly as I possibly can, because I know that I have a lot of family that wants to watch this, and also I like to think that some of you care about what I do with my life outside of video making, so yeah. Thank you again for watching. Thank you again for Pacific University and the speech and debate team for allowing me to travel once again. Okay, it's getting really sappy, so I need to stop. Goodbye. I hope you enjoy the other videos. Yeah, because that wasn't cheesy at all.